Oh man, this is the shelf in our closet. Hey Dave. What you doing now?
Sitting here watching TV.
No, you're not.
Why not?
You gotta fix a shelf.
What shelf?
Bedroom, closet.
What?
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
What? Oh, man.
You know, the stuff that was on there wasn't that heavy. It was just, you know, cloth baskets, like, you know, bathing suits in it and stuff. A couple pairs of shoes.
I told you not to put the gold bars up there.
These are just staples in here.
Oh, yeah. I could staple it back up, but obviously staples aren't working.
Well, there's only one in that one.
Yeah, but this thing's only a half-inch thick.
There's only two in that one, and one in that one. How in the heck is that supposed to hold it up? You know, plus the one here and here.
Yeah.
In the front.
So.
I guess the ones on the end where they got like 5 of them, 6 of them are the ones that was holding it up, you know?
See, my problem is getting something into this one. Besides, like a screw.
Yeah.
I might split that coming up in there. This is still going to require screws. Up here.
In the front?
Yeah. But what I can do is if we go like that, and you hold that there, I can get a Sharpie and make a little line so I know where I have to screw from.
So then you remove the shelf to do whatever you got to do?
Yeah, then I'll drill some holes and then run some screws back up through it, and that way I'm guaranteed to hit the shelf and not miss it.
Is that pencil actually marking?
I hope. Kind of looks like it. I don't have to rely on you to do the other one. What's going on here? It's like it's...
These aren't screwed, are they?
No.
No.
But there looks like there's something going this way.
Oh no.
Right here. See, that's pivoting. See, that should fall out of there, and it doesn't. Ain't nothing easy.
Sawzall!
I know.
We gotta get the clothes out?
Yeah.
Alright. I know everybody's closet's set up differently, but just as a suggestion, if you have a big open area like this, get one of these containers that has all the pockets in it.
It's a shoe rack.
Like a boot rack almost, pretty big. And then we have a shoe rack here, so we have lots of our clothes right there, and the longer stuff hanging next to it. So what you gonna do?
Well, measured out the center of this board on here, and drill a little hole in the bottom of it, and run a screw up through it.
You love that thing, don't you?
I love my headlamp.
Get that in our Amazon store.
Yep.
Liked it so much, bought 2 more. That one's got red lights and everything else on it too, doesn't it?
It do.
Nighttime vision or whatever.
So it doesn't distort your night vision.
Yeah.
Let's go right here. Hopefully that'll be in the middle of that board. And this one. Alright. Take a screw.
What kind of screw are you using?
A finished head wood screw. It's a small with a square drive. How's it looking there? There it goes.
Yeah. So is that all you got to do?
I'm going to put some more in the side here. Pretty good so far.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Back over here. Light. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Now, put some up front here. Light.
Oh, you got 2 screwdrivers. I see how you're doing this so quickly.
Yeah. I got one drill and one driver.
Uh-huh. All right.
There you go, Missy.
You know the question. What's the answer?
Beers. Easy fix, 6.
6? For an easy fix? You didn't have to go to the store? You didn't have to order any parts?
7.
What?
Hey, we're out in the middle of the desert. Harsh working conditions.
All better now. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.